home theaters today demands more number of channels, and to drive more number of channels, the basic essential thing that you need is a power amplifier. And right now I am with Ardhendu, who is representing O&B Sound, and these guys have been making power amplifiers right here in India. So Ardhendu, why don't you run me over the entire history of O&B so that we know more about your brand?
So O&B is the byproduct of a dream that I saw 20 years ago, where I professionally worked for around 16 years. And then I thought that it's time that I should fulfill my dream, right? That India should have its own HiFi brand that can represent India everywhere across the globe.
Absolutely.
So that's when I started the design process for O&B, where we initially started with a very small stereo amplifier, and it had a very good outreach to the people. Then we gradually increased, and we, as you previously said, that people are going more into theaters and they need powerful products to drive the speakers. So we started working on a 3-channel. Yes, we now have a product range that has 25 independent SKUs, starting from monoblocks, stereos, multi-channel amps. We can do anything between 3 to 14 channels. And we can also customize the power rating. Yes. So that's how we have structured our company and all the products, that anyone who has a audiophile requirement for a monoblock, something like this, that's massive and gigantic, or they want to go for a personalized home theater, that also we can do. Yes, with a very custom power profile.
Okay.
Yes.
And when we talk about power amplifiers, since they are connected to processors or receivers at times and just using some additional channels, one of the key factors is they need IR connectivity where you can just trigger out the trigger.
All of our amplifiers have 12-volt triggers. Loop in, loop out. You can cascade systems.
Okay.
That way.
Perfect. And in terms of the chassis design or the internal circuit, what is it that you've brought out to the table, which probably the other brands are not doing, or probably they're charging premium? What is the design philosophy?
So basically, India is a very hot and humid climate.
Okay.
Yes. So the products need to be very reliable, very robust, and they need to be designed that even if it is overdriven, yes, the product should never shut down, or even if the load is very demanding, yes, they should never put less amount of power to the speakers, because that is where the customer experience lies.
Okay.
So we have primarily focused on the power supplies. They are massive. Then the thermal, we have added enough thermal mass to the product so that they can sustain even in very, very demanding conditions.
So by thermal, you also mean the heat dissipation?
The heat dissipation. So if you look at any of our product and compare it with any other brand, you will see that we have massive heat sinks inside the product, or in this case outside the product.
Right.
Yes. So that even with a passive cooling setup, because people would not like noisy fans. Yes. So all of our products are passively cooled. Yes. So to maintain that thermal temperature, we use a lot bigger heat sinks than any other comparative brand.
And what is the class of amplifiers that you've got? And is that a standard topography across all the product ranges?
So we believe that class AAB, where high biased ABs, they sound phenomenal. Yes. So all of our products are AB.
Okay.
Yes, but they are higher biased than any other ABs that you will get in the market.
And while working on the design part, I can see that you have used view meters in certain models of the power amplifiers. It has got a different light signals, like light indicators, which shows the number of channels or what is on, what is off. So has that been inspired by something, or was it pure your own?
I always like pure analog stuff. Yeah.
So that's okay.
Yeah,
that's good. So typically, in terms of the pricing, if you can just help our people or understand that for a home theater, I'll speak more about that. So right from a 2-channel amplifier to a 11-channel or a 14-channel that you guys do, what are the kind of pricings that anybody can consider around that?
So the basic RACA 300, it's priced very competitively at 55,000. It's a 2-channel amp, 150 watts at 4 ohms, 100 watts at 8, and that is both channel driven.
Okay.
Yeah. So from that to our 11 channel, that is the front 3 LCRs are 300 watts and the rest of the channels are 150 watts. So that is priced at around 4.5. Yes. So we can also customize the power ratings according to your requirement.
So if anybody comes up with a 500 watts LCR power, you
we
can customize it. Only 3 channels for LCR at 500.
Yeah.
The rest can be 100, 150, 200.
We
whatever.
can do that.
Amazing. And what is the warranty that anybody should consider for
So
that?
the warranty on all of our products are 3 years, but we are there for you for the lifetime. If anything goes wrong, we are there.
The good part is you're based out of India and you're directly the company. So it's not through some channels that we have to reach out to you. And 3 years is a good warranty period considering that these are power equipments which are going to be connected to power supplies of the Indian sockets.
Yeah. So what we have done specifically from multi-channels, there is a over voltage protection as well. So as soon as it crosses a certain threshold, the amplifier shuts itself off and protects itself.
Amazing. And I believe the grounding and everything has been taken care of for all the series of amplifiers. So these are all going to be demanding a lot of high power.
Yeah, so most of our multi-channel high power amplifiers, they use a 20 amp socket so that you can give them the required power.
Okay. So what are the next product segments that you're working on right now?
Integrated amplifiers and pre-amplifiers is our next target.
Amazing, amazing. I wish you guys all the best and keep doing this fantastic work. And we will definitely be in touch with you for the multi-channel amplifiers for the home theaters that we design at KPV. And anything in monoblocks also we will surely consider for
Definitely.
stereo high-end applications. So thank you so much, Ardhendu. And those
thank
of you who want to know his story, you need to check out one of his latest articles. Just Google Ardhendu and O&B Sound. You'll get to know about him more in detail. How this guy was hiding his job for last 1 year and then he finally started with this company. So that's really inspiring. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, Tanmay.
Thank you.